Addition of rational numbers. Let us solve few sums on addition of rational numbers. First question, evaluate. Minus 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8. In this expression, denominators are same. So, we will take the common denominator as 8 and add the numerators. Simplifying the numerator, we get minus 2 by 8. Now, minus 2 by 8 is not in standard form as 2 and 8 have 2 as a common factor. So, let's cancel the common factor. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8. So, this expression is equal to minus 1 by 4. Therefore, minus 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8 is equal to minus 1 by 4. Second question, minus 8 by 9 plus minus 5 by 12. In this question, the denominators are not the same. To convert the denominators same, we need to find the LCM of the denominators. So let's find the LCM of 9 and 12. 9 is not divisible by 2, but 12 is divisible by 2, so let's divide it by 2. 9 we write as it is, and 2 times 6 gives 12. Again we can divide by 2 as 6 is divisible by 2. So 9 will write as it is, 2 times 3 gives 6. Now 9 and 3 both are not divisible by 2. So next prime factor that we are going to consider is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. Let's divide it again with 3. 3 times 1 is 3. And we write 1 as it is. Therefore, LCM of 9 and 12 is equal to, multiplying these factors, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. This is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 3 is 36. Therefore, LCM is 36. So, we are going to convert the denominators as 36. So, minus 8 by 9 plus minus 5 by 12. So we know that 9 times 4 gives 36. The same 4 we will multiply even with the numerator. And 12 times 3 gives 36. The same 3 we will multiply even with the numerator. This is equal to, now minus 8 times 4 is minus 32 by 9 times 4 is 36 plus minus 5 times 3 is minus 15 by 12 times 3 is 36. Now we have got the same denominators. This is equal to, we can take 36 as the common denominator and add the numerators, minus 32 plus of minus 15. In the numerator we have both the integers of same sign, so we will add the numerical values. 32 plus 15 is 47 and we will assign minus sign to the result divided by 36. Therefore, minus 47 by 36 is the answer. Next question, 4 plus 3 by minus 5. In this question, we will take the denominator of 4 as 1. Now, this expression will be equal to 4 by 1 plus of 3 by minus 5. Now 3 by minus 5 is a negative rational number. So plus of a negative rational number will be negative. Plus of minus is minus 3 by 5. To make the denominator same, we will find the LCM of 1 and 5. LCM of 1 and 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, to make the denominator 1 as 5, we will multiply 1 with 5 and the same number will be multiplied even with the numerator. This expression will be equal to 4 times 5 is 20 by 1 times 5 is 5 minus 3 by 5. Now we have got the denominator same. So this is equal to, common denominator will be 5. We will subtract the numerators. So we get 20 minus 3 is 17. 17 by 5. Since it is in improper form, we will convert this into mixed form. We will divide 17 by 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract it. 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we can write it in the form of Q R by D. That is 3 2 by 5. Therefore, 3 2 by 5 is the answer. Next question, evaluate. 3 by 8 plus of minus 5 by 12 plus 3 by 7 plus 3 by 12 plus of minus 5 by 8 plus of minus 2 by 7. In this question, first I will group the rational numbers having the same denominators, 3 by 8 and minus 5 by 8. Next, minus 5 by 12 and 3 by 12. Next, 3 by 7 and minus 2 by 7. So after writing in this way, now this expression will be equal to, since the denominators are same, I am going to take the common denominator as 8 and add the numerators. Plus, even in this denominators are same, so common denominator is 12. I am going to add the numerators. Plus, here also the denominator is same, so the common denominator will be 7. So add the numerators. This is equal to, in the numerator we have 3 plus of minus 5. Both the integers are of opposite sign, so we will subtract the numerical values. The greater numerical value minus the smaller numerical value, that is 5 minus 3, which is 2. And the sign of the greater numerical value, which is minus, we will assign to the result. denominator is 8, plus again we have minus 5 plus 3. So both the integers are of opposite signs. We will subtract the greater numerical value minus smaller numerical value. We get as 2. The greater numerical value is having negative sign, so we will assign minus to the result. So minus 2 by denominator is 12, plus here we have 3 plus of minus 2. So both are of opposite signs, so we will subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1, and the greater numerical value is positive, so plus 1 by 7. Now let's cancel the common factors. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8. Here 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 6 is 12. So this expression will be equal to minus 1 by 4. Plus of minus is minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 7. Next step. In this expression, the denominators are not the same. So we will find the LCM of the denominators 4, 6 and 7. So let's find the LCM of 4, 6 and 7. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 is not divisible by 2. We will write as it is. Again we can divide by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 is not divisible, so we will write as it is. 7 also is not divisible, we will write as it is. Next factor we are going to take is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 7 we will write as it is because 7 is not divisible by 3. Next factor we are going to choose is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. Therefore LCM of 4, 6 and 7 is equal to, multiplying these factors, 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. This is equal to 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 7 is 84. So 84 is the LCM. Now we will multiply each denominator by a suitable number so that the product obtained is equal to the LCM. So 4 times 21 gives 84. We will multiply even with the numerator. And now 6 times 14 gives 84. We will multiply 14 with the numerator also. And then 7 times 12 gives 84. We will multiply with the numerator also 12. Now this expression will be equal to minus 1 times 21 is minus 21 by 4 times 21 is 84, minus 1 times 14 is 14 by 6 times 14 is 84, plus 1 times 12 is 12 by 7 times 12 is 84. Now we can write the common denominator as 84 and the numerator minus 21 minus 14 plus 12. This is equal to, first we will simplify minus 21 and minus 14. We get minus 35 plus 12 by 84 Now in the numerator we have minus 35 plus 12. Both are of different signs. So we will subtract. 35 minus 12 is 23. And we will assign the sign of the greater numerical value, that is minus. So minus 23 by 84 is the answer. Let us look at the sum again. In the first step, we grouped the rational numbers having the same denominators and we simplified it. After simplifying it, we got this expression. After that, we found the LCM of the denominators 4, 6 and 7. We got the LCM as 84. So we made the denominators equal to 84 and simplified it. We got the answer as minus 23 by 84.
Thanks for watching. Practice the sums given in the worksheet. Happy learning.